Alright guys, we showed you the video of unboxing those ANRKY AN33s, and I promised you guys I would show you what it looks like after we install them on the C8. Well, here you go. Yeah, looks incredible. And I was also describing the offset that we try to cure with aftermarket wheels. The factory wheels typically come with a really wimpy looking offset. So aftermarket wheels cure that lack of offset. So as you see now, that wheel and tire comes all the way out to the edge of that fender arch. So it fills out that fender well, makes it look ultra aggressive. This thing looks just sick. We did a 20 in the front, a 21 in the rear. I believe that rear is 12.5. Looks so good. These AN33s are a really cool spoke pattern. It's got that split 5 with a twist to it, so it looks really cool, really aggressive. It leaves a lot of room to show off the brakes. I'll show you the front ones because it's got bigger brakes up here. There you go. Like we described before, it's got the 50-50 hardware. So half of the hardware shows through the front. Half the hardware is hidden behind there. So you have it, ANRKY AN33s on the new C8 Corvette. 3-piece forged, super dope quality. Get yours over here at Speed Shield. Later.